What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Link in the description for merchandise. Don't forget to hit me up on Instagram if you guys want tucked official banners. Today we're gonna continue with Hiest build.
They wanted more. I give them more.
All right, guys. Second layer of high build primer. You've seen us throw down the guide coat real quick. Durablocks. So we have different ones, different varieties and sizes, and we're using 180. And then we're gonna go higher grit right now after he gets done doing this top piece and the door and the quarter panel. We're gonna go and do 320 and 400 grit. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the tape on all the windows and we will retape that, but we're gonna get everything down with 400, get everything with our spot putties and spots. We got a few spots that we found, and there's probably another one over here or so, but everything as far as on the body kit and all these areas that we use a spot putty with the last final touches, we're gonna pull this out, power wash it, clean it all off, and then we are gonna retape the windows and everything, and then we're gonna hit it with Finish One white sealer. This is the last part. Finally painted. Drop a comment, let us know what you guys think. Next is gonna be the doors, hood, so that way the door jambs and everything are the same color. Engine bay's already done. Just need to go over a little bit and clean this off because it has a little bit of overspray. But as far as orange peel, nothing. So we got the Hiest Civic over here with the Eclipse. We're gonna wait and leave it right here for about a week, let it cure and everything for wet sand and buff. So we're using single stage, and then it's got paint and clear together. And then what we're gonna do on the outside, we're gonna do a base coat, clear coat. We already got everything set up on tables. He used a Scotch-Brite pad on all of it, got them all knocked out. And so basically we'll paint the back, single stage, flip it over, do base coat, clear coat, and see how everything comes out. Let these sit for maybe 3 to 4 days, and then we can install them on the car. Alright guys, so we got the Hiest Civic wheels. We're gonna get the tires changed over on them. We got them right here. He'll call us in a little bit whenever they're ready, and then we can get to painting on these. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Yep. Yep. We just need the wheels. This car looks nice, you guys. But for right now, you guys, we got everything on there. Got the wheels on, got the wheels painted. Chris is cleaning up and doing minor little details here and there on the interior. Seats are over there in the corner. We're gonna clean those, but he's about to pour that out right now. Ooh, sheesh. Yeah, you can see the stains right here on the seat, you guys, but it had the same thing on this side, and he already got that all out. So he vacuumed it first, shop vac, and then he's using this right here as a little carpet cleaner to clean everything out, and it's working.
take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running through you. So I can do it, can't do it, get it, go. Run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like bucket, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, you know they can't stop. Keep my mind at ease.